Children, in this video we are going to see the preparation of phenol. So first one from chlorobenzene, that is from haloarenes. Halo means halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Arenes means compound containing benzene ring. This preparation is also called as Dow's process. So, for benzene, chlorine, this is chlorobenzene treated with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Here HCl removed. This is treated at 633 Kelvin, 300 bar pressure. HCl removed. ONA is placed there. It is called as sodium phenoxide. And this is treated with HCl. NaCl is removed. So we are getting this one. This is phenol. This process is called as Dow's process from haloarenes, that is chlorobenzene. Next, from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid or benzene ring, SO3H group, benzene sulfonic acid treated with NaOH at 623 Kelvin. So here this H and here on HSO3 is removed, ONA is replaced. Here ONA is replaced. This is sodium phenoxide, and this is treated with HCl. NaCl is removed, H is replaced there. So we are getting phenol. Okay. Third preparation, benzene sulfonic acid with the sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide with the HCl, phenol is got. Third one, from aniline. That is benzene ring, NH2 group, aniline, treated with nitrous acid, HNO2. Nitric means HNO3. This is nitrous acid, 273 to 278 Kelvin, getting N double bond NCl, benzene diazonium chloride, N double bond NCl. This is benzene diazonium chloride we are getting. That is, this nitrous acid is prepared from NaNO2, sodium nitrite, and HCl. HNO2 is prepared from this mixture. Then this is treated with hot water in the presence of a mineral acid. So this is more electronegative, this is electropositive. So HCl removed. HCl removed, remaining OH is replaced here. HCl removed plus N2. This is N2. N2 is also removed. So phenol we are getting. Next, fourth preparation from commune. Now, benzene, a mixture of benzene and propene. Propene means 3 carbon atoms, 1 double bond, 1 single bond. So balancing H2, here H, here H3 at 523 Kelvin in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst H3PO4. We are getting cumene, that is C, the C, CH3, H. Why this CH3 means one hydrogen from here. It is removed, in that place only this is substituting. That hydrogen joins here. This is called as cumene. This one on air oxidation and 5% aqueous sodium carbonate. Oxidation takes place, 2 oxygen joins here. So COOH, then remaining as it is CH3 treated with sulfuric acid H2SO4. The bond breaks here, OH is replaced, this is removed out. This is acetone, CH3 CO CH3 plus phenol OH, phenol plus acetone. So these are the 4 preparations of alcohol. Phenols from chlorobenzene, from benzene sulfonic acid, from aniline, from cumene. That is, cumene is prepared from benzene and propene. Cumene, then cumene hydroperoxide, then phenol plus acetone.